What's up, guys? This is Brian Kelly coming back at you from Next Level Training in Pickerington, Ohio. I'm going to cover the lunge today. I want to first start out by differentiating the difference between a lunge and a split squat. Lunge to me implies movement. So you're going to start from maybe a particular ready stance and then you will lunge out, versus a split squat. You're already in a lunge stance, but you're not moving forward or backward, you're just squatting in place. That's our split squat. Our lunge would be lunge out and back, or reverse lunge, back and up. And then from there, there's different variations. We could do goblet, lunge. We could do barbell, lunge. We could do two dumbbells at your side, reverse lunge. Any combination you want, as long as you realize that when we're talking about a lunge, we're implying some motion there. You're moving out and back, you're moving back and up again. Split squat, we tend to be in one place, already in the stance, going up and down. Now, in saying all that, the lunge should be two 90-degree angles in the knees. So when you set your stance, you don't want to set too long. We don't want to get into this like overstretched hip flexor position. We don't want to push the knee way forward and kind of get into this position where we're going knee over the toes. We want to try every time that we lunge to be shoulders back, abs in, chin, chest up, out to 90s and back. Now, depth is entirely up to you. If you think that you have to hit the ground on a lunge to make it count, that's on you. I think that the surface area should be figured in. In other words, I wouldn't want to see you bang your knee on a hard concrete floor for 10 reps each leg and then come out of there with a sore knee. It doesn't make sense. I like to stop mine just barely above the ground. If your rectus femoris is a little bit tight, patellar tendons a little bit tight, your knees might not even like going that low. You may just want to step out, drop down a little bit, and push back. Either way, it's going to work you. It's a great quadricep, hamstring, glute builder. I also want to point out that when you're doing a lunge, you want to think coming up with your head first. So when you step out into a lunge, you want to go head up, not shoulders back. Okay? When we get into these shoulders back first motions, we tend to overload the back leg, and it's much more difficult. It's much harder to do heavyweight, and you're much more likely to fail. In other words, I've seen people trying to do heavy barbell lunge out, push back hips first, and they almost crumble with the weight. You always want to think head up first. Head up. Even when you're lunging forward, it's head up. So keep those things in mind. Hopefully that helps clear up the air for you. If you need anything else from me, shoot me a message, give me a like, subscribe to our channel, and keep watching.